CASA, that is the low-cost deposits, and the growth of 13%, savings at 12.19%, and on the retail term deposits, our focus has been on home loans, which grew by 0.44%. So that the credit quality remains the same and the gross is as per schedule. And actually look at the other, we have reached a level of 32.45%. Our focus on agriculture and MSME continues. Predominant growth in priority sector has been contributed by MSME, which has grown at 24%, and educational loan a moderate 13%, and agriculture at 6.54%. With 66% CD ratio, the remaining is in the form of investments. The gross investments stand at 42,000 at 13%. The same investment portfolio, if you look at it from a different point of view, 71% is held by the bank name. Now, based on this income and 416 crores, you have to read it along with 0.26 net interest margin at 2.02. Like I mentioned, our Tier 1 capital, and as far as the current year is concerned, even at the asset quality, like I mentioned, it peaked in non-performing assets. We have provided for 98.53 crores towards non-performing asset, which is against 149 crores for the corresponding period for the previous year. But whereas when it comes to standard assets and restructuring provision, we have provided 95.68, and provision for investment, this is what I told you, the additional impact due to mark-to-market has been 70.81 crores in Q4. This is the main reason for the declining in the 39% decline in the net profit. That's the slide.
Sir, so what's your positioning strategy for 2014-15?
One.
No, I'm not finished yet.
Yeah, tell me. 177 and prudential write-off of 189. The opening balance for the quarter was 1,953. That is the gross NPLs. The closing gross NPLs were at 1,986. That's a net increase of approximately 33 crores.